Why do 85% of households recommend the Union sprayer? Let's find out. The Ups7772 comes pre-installed with a mist sprayer, perfect for those delicate plants. Besides, the mist sprayer can also switch into water steam mode by adjusting its head. But wait, there's more. Both sprayers come with interchangeable heads. Switching from mist into a foam maker is a breeze. Just unscrew the bottle, remove the sprayer head, flip the tube, and install it into the hole below. Make sure it's snug. Then, swap the mist head for the foam maker head, and screw everything back together. Voila! Your sprayer is now leak-proof and ready for action. Ready to try the foam maker? Use the provided measuring cup to pour in your cleaning detergent. Pump it up for pressure and you're good to go. The foam comes out exactly like the car wash center. Perfect for cars, bikes, and even windows. So, why wait? Upgrade your household cleaning game with the Union sprayer today.